Why D Ranganath, the son of BJP MP Devendrappa, has been registered in a case of cheating and criminal intimidation. A Bengaluru-based young woman has filed a complaint against Ranganath, accusing him of cheating by giving her false promises of marriage. The son of Bellary MP was employed as a lecturer at Mysore Maharaja College. They met through a mutual friend and got into a relationship. He allegedly took her to Mysuru in January, where he slept with her at a private hotel. He allegedly told the 24-year-old woman that he wanted to marry her. However, he started ignoring the woman after she returned to Bengaluru. Ranganath is booked under IPC Section 417, which deals with cheating, Section 420, which deals with cheating and dishonesty, and Section 506, which deals with criminal intimidation at the Basavangudi police station in Bengaluru. Subsequently, Ranganath has also filed a complaint against the young woman in Mysuru's Vijayanagar police station, alleging that he was blackmailed by her to give Rs 15 lakhs. Basavangudi Women's Police Station has issued a notice to both regarding the case. The investigation is ongoing. Subscribe to Daily Salah Digital for more such updates.